That's gonna be the title of the next video. Crushing 9-year-olds' dreams. Breaking kids' ankles. That's the next YouTube video, what do you think? Oh, looks like you're breaking your own. Oh, it's slushy. So this was supposed to be a video about how easy it is to set up the Easy Ice rink, but it ended up being more of a cautionary tale, I guess you could say. Not because of the rink, because of the weather. Oh my gosh. What happened? It's November. Want to go set up a rink? Sure. This rink you can set up on cement, and that's where we're setting it up at my buddy's place. Nice thing about the Easy Ice system is that you don't have to nail it down. So the brackets are secured with straps, so you can put it anywhere. That's if the ground is frozen or if you have a concrete pad. Last year I did it in my backyard, now I'm gonna do it at my buddy's place on his driveway. Let's go. It is 11:54. We're gonna start building at a casual pace, kind of figure out where to put this thing, and we'll see how quickly we can get this set up. Nice thing about this system is that you don't have to do any measurements beforehand. You can just sort it all down and then figure it out, square it up as you go. Pretty versatile like that. Right now we're trying to figure out if we can still get the four-wheeler in the garage. I am a little worried about this slope though. I'm not too sure if you'll have much water in this top corner. It does seem to have a bit of a grade going that way.
Should we not make it so long maybe?
Well, we'll just fill it up with water and see what happens.
You can always adjust everything this way.
Yeah.
So close to the house. So it's gotta come this way?
I would come this way.
The ground's more level right here.
Yeah, I think there you're fine.
Next year, tell them to send you more.
If you know what you're doing.
If we didn't spend time talking about where everything was gonna go, it would have been built by now.
Yeah, exactly.
Well done. So I just realized I forgot the corner pieces. Right here, there's some blue pieces that connect this to this. Gotta run back and go grab those. All right, I'll be back with some corner pieces. Now I just have to remember where I put those things. Actually, I think they might be out here. Oh, here we go. There's 3 of them. Yes! We're in luck. The missing piece of the puzzle. Looks like they tried using a pylon. Good effort, good effort. Slides in there. This one slides in here. And now, the rink won't fall over. You got some bricks too. Nice try, guys, nice try. Definitely did it the hard way. There, that's much easier. Once we get the liner and the water in there, that'll keep that from happening. So the wind is pushing it this way. The straps will keep it from going far out that way though. The liner with the wind, I don't even know if that's a good idea. Let's live on the edge.
Might as well.
Let's try to put a liner in when we've got gusty winds. Either we're gonna be right or people can learn from our mistakes. Or it'll be a strong wind and we'll set sail. So clean. So you want to get most of the wrinkles out of it. We ended up with a bigger tarp because we were going to go 25 by 50, but then it turned out that Ryan didn't have quite that much space in here. because he wanted to get the four-wheeler out of the garage, which he forgot to tell us about before. Uh-oh. No wind, bad wind. Yeah. No. Well, I guess I could have jumped on the tarp instead of just filming it, but
There's that gust.
yeah, that's what we were talking about. Take two. We're gonna weight this thing down, throw some water in it, we'll be good to go. I think this will do the trick. I've come to the conclusion that I do not recommend putting the liner in when it's windy. However, we're determined, so we're gonna start putting water on and then just figure it out as we go. This could be a genius idea or a terrible idea. Let's find out. Puddles of water everywhere, that's the trick. Don't put the liner in when it's windy. This is why you're supposed to build your rink in October or November when it's not blizzard snow. Although it is November, it's not supposed to be blizzarding snow right now. We're lucky. The water's definitely helping. The wind is wreaking havoc on the liner, warping the boards and stuff. Pretty much gonna let the water fill up. This is a low point. As it works its way up more and more and more, we'll just keep on pulling the liner tight until we get to the top, and then should be good. You don't want that big wrinkle there, because if it fills and then freezes that way, you'll have that wrinkle frozen into it.
Like, is this wrinkle bad too?
That's not bad, because you want to get as much wrinkle out as possible, but as long as the water is over top of it, you're good. If it's sticking out of the water, then you skate over it and then you wreck your liner. Yeah, that board is looking real warped.
Yeah, would you want to fix it now or no?
I might as well give it a little shove. Now the rink was really easy to set up. It's just the weather that proved to be a bit of an issue. This is a good time to talk about your weather conditions. So what we learned first is don't set the rink up in the blizzard.
Yep.
And the second one is when you're flooding the rink, it's best to flood it at night. Ryan put on a quick layer of water and it didn't quite freeze all the way, so that's why we're playing in slush. Ice almost finished, time to dangle some more, kids. 1 versus 3? Yeah. You guys can start. Alright. Oh, nice pass. Hard to defend all three. Where's it gonna go? Oh, no! Oh, they got one on me. I'm just gonna lay the body. I missed it. Oh no! He's getting the garbage. But I think I gotta be aggressive on the puck carrier and hope for the best. There we go. No! Yes! Are we going fancy? You can do that in pond hockey. Yeah! He stole your goal. Oh my gosh. Just there you go. Oh jeez. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. What happened? Oh, you didn't go in? All right, I'll give you guys. I'll give you one more chance. Yes! Oh, you guys hear that? Oh, it's the pipe singing. Oh. Yeah, I know, that's what I said. No! No, 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 no! No! No!
Yay!
3-2?
Over here!
I'm at their mercy. Ah! Uh-oh! You really gotta rub it in. Good game. We'll play every year until you guys can destroy me. Last year I set up the easy ice rink in my backyard. Worked perfectly. This year the test was to see if we could set it up on pavement. I would say you can, it's just don't do it when it's windy. But besides that, hey, we got a backyard rink and we're playing hockey, so can't beat that. If you guys want to set up a backyard rink, you can check out the Easy Ice system. I got a link in the video description and a coupon code so you can save some money if you put in your order. Thanks a lot for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.